If you've ever faced the absolute headache of renovating a rental unit, outfitting a tiny studio apartment, or just trying to decipher an IKEA instruction manual without totally losing your mind, well, you already know the struggle. You want something that looks decent, holds up to daily life, and doesn't completely drain your bank account, right? Welcome to this explainer. Today we're diving straight into the data and specifications comparing IKEA's two top budget-friendly heavyweights, the KNOXHULT system and the ENHET system. Both of these are engineered for quick buying and easy installation, but as we'll see, they actually serve surprisingly different needs.
So that brings us to the core question we're answering today. KNOXHULT or ENHET? Which budget kitchen actually wins? It's a great question, but winning really depends entirely on what you value more. Is it absolute upfront savings, or is it long-term modular flexibility? Let's break down the facts.
Section 1. Meet the contenders. Okay, on one side of the ring, we've got KNOXHULT. Its whole identity, its entire market position is built on being the absolute simplest, lowest-priced, complete kitchen you can walk out of the store with today. Then, on the other side, we have ENHET. Now, ENHET steps things up a notch. It's a modern, highly flexible system, and it actually comes with a noticeably higher durability rating. So ultimately, the primary trade-off we're looking at here is an absolute rock-bottom price point versus adaptable, modular flexibility.
Moving right along to design and flexibility. When we start looking at their design philosophies, a pretty stark contrast emerges. With KNOXHULT, the style is very traditional and completely neutral. It intentionally limits your choices, which is exactly how they leverage mass manufacturing scale to keep your costs so unbelievably low. The frames, doors, and drawers only come in fixed combinations, and honestly, it's frequently sold with a pre-cut worktop already included in the price. It's a true, low-flexibility, all-in-one package. ENHET, on the other hand, offers a much more chic, customizable aesthetic. It gives you this airy, modern vibe by letting you mix open metal frames with closed cabinets. Plus, you get 5 different color options for the fronts, and it even includes corner cabinets, giving you a really nice medium level of flexibility to get creative with your layout.
Next up, planning versus assembly speed.
So here's where we get into the mechanics of actually getting these kitchens into your home, and there's a really fascinating paradox regarding time. The crucial trade-off is this. KNOXHULT saves you upfront planning time, but ENHET saves you actual physical construction time. Think about it. Because KNOXHULT comes in preset, fixed combinations, you don't have to spend hours agonizing over every little piece and part in the IKEA planning software. You literally just buy the module and go. But once you get those boxes home, the ENHET system is significantly faster to physically build. Why? Well, let's take a look.
ENHET utilizes IKEA's unique tool-free click system for its frames, meaning the pieces literally snap together without the need for special tools. So yes, your trusty, easily lost Allen wrench actually gets to sit this one out. This brilliantly illustrates why ENHET is an absolute game changer if you think you might be moving or modifying your space in the future. Because it clicks together, it is incredibly easy to disassemble and move. Now contrast that sharply with KNOXHULT. KNOXHULT relies on your classic traditional flat pack construction. You're going to need your screwdriver, your standard tools, and definitely plenty of patience for standard screws and hardware.
Now, just a quick note on what goes inside those drawers. It's pretty interesting. Both of these systems actually utilize the exact same UPPDATERA series for their internal fittings. That means your cutlery trays and spice organizers are going to fit perfectly no matter which system you go with. However, because ENHET gives you those varying cabinet types, like mixing the open and closed shelving, it naturally allows for a lot more diverse internal configurations to really nail down your specific storage needs.
Now let's talk about warranties and lifespan.
Transitioning over to the investment side of things, let's look at a really crucial data point that reveals a lot about material grade. 5 years. That is the limited warranty you get with the KNOXHULT system. Now, don't get me wrong, 5 years is a great baseline. It's significantly better than what you'd get with standard, non-kitchen furniture. So for an extreme budget option designed for quick fixes, 5 years absolutely offers some solid peace of mind.
But ENHET completely changes the math here. 10 years. ENHET literally doubles the warranty period. This 10-year limited warranty is a massive indicator of a much higher tier of durability and expected lifespan. It's essentially telling you that the materials used in the ENHET system are engineered to withstand the daily wear, tear, and spills of a kitchen for twice as long as KNOXHULT.
I do want to add just a bit of vital context here from our source material. Keep in mind, if you are looking for a permanent, completely tailored solution rather than a budget or modular fix, IKEA's METOD System is really the benchmark alternative. That one offers a massive 25-year warranty.
It's a completely different tier of kitchen for sure, but it's important to know exactly where KNOXHULT and ENHET sit in the broader lineup.
All right, let's get to the final verdict.
Let's synthesize all these points to help you make the absolute perfect choice for your specific project. We've looked at price, design, assembly speed, and warranties. Here's your ultimate decision tree. You should definitely choose KNOXHULT if you're a landlord wanting a quick fix for a rental property, if you're just building a simple kitchen corner, or if you are on the absolute strictest budget possible. It gets the job done fast, and it gets it done cheap. On the flip side, you should absolutely choose ENHET if you're outfitting a small urban space or a studio, if you really want that visually open, modern aesthetic, or if you highly prioritize an easy, tool-free assembly that gives you the flexibility to pack up and move the whole kitchen later on.
To wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with one defining question. Look at your space, look at your budget, and ask yourself, are you building for the next 5 years or the next 10? Because once you decide what you truly value most, whether that's the absolute lowest cost today or adaptable, modular flexibility for the decade ahead, your choice between KNOXHULT and ENHET becomes crystal clear.